Hi everyone, today we will talk about rare parrot in the world. Yes, I am talking about Spix's macaw parrot. Spix's macaw, the rare birds-like exotics parrot in the world, most rare and very expensive. In the world, Spix's macaw is a rare blue parrot native to Brazil that is extinct in the wild and survived through conservation breeding programs. Now I tell you about its cost. The cost of Spix's macaw around $20,000 to $40,000 plus US dollars for a single bird, often cited average. Some sources list values even around $100,000 to $200,000 plus due to rarity and breeding. A few online listings, not verified nor legal, show much lower prices like $1,200 to $3,500, but these are very likely scams or misidentified parrots and not legitimate Spix's macaws. Spix's macaws are critically endangered and trade in them is strictly regulated under international law. Sites. Legal ownership usually involves conservation programs rather than private sale, and prices online may be misleading or illegal. Age of breeding of Spix's macaw is about 4 to 5 years. Breeding lifespan, roughly 5 to 25 years, when healthy and well cared for. Total lifespan, around 25 to 30 years, sometimes up to 35 to 40 years in captivity. In the wild, when they existed there, survival was shorter due to habitat loss and threats. In conservation breeding programs, proper diet, veterinary care, and safe environments help them live much longer. If you want, I can also explain their breeding behavior, egg laying, or why breeding success is so difficult for this species. Spix's macaws, also called little blue macaws, are not naturally human-friendly in the way that pet dogs or cats are, but their behavior toward people can vary depending on how they're raised. Spix's macaw eats a plant-based diet, focused mainly on seeds, nuts, and fruits. Their food choices are closely tied to their native habitat in Brazil. Thanks for watching me. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.